my shrine to beauty. Works of high art crafted in tribute to our beloved royal family. Victoria's bust wrought in porcelain.
Classy.
Quite lifelike, wouldn't you say?
It's as if she were here.
Smooth to the touch.
Easy, Tiger.
But come, let us restore the heart and highlight of my collection. This ruby, fallen from the very brow of ancient kings, a true crown jewel. Well, what do you think?
He's a madman! Run away! Run!
Pardon me, my fly's undone.
Well, your ruby certainly is a biggie.
Indeed. How did it ever find me, here in the underbelly of the world, in this dark, low place?
Yes. Speaking of which, I'd love to see more of your collection. It's very amusing, but I do...
Amusing.
Didn't you say I'd find it amusing?
I said you'd find it diverting, not amusing.
Well, when I said amusing, I really meant it in the sense of the ancient Greek muse, the goddess of inspiration. Muse.
Smashing.
Oh, heaven help me.
Ice him! Ice them both! Let's see if there's anything good in the fridge. Former enemies, one and all. A catalogue of thieves, double-crossers, and do-gooders. Prepare to meet your maker. Your ice maker.
Makes me laugh every time, that one.
Shut that door.
Liquid nitrogen, that will freeze us instantly.
There's a paperclip in my back pocket. See if you can get it. In the pocket, in the pocket.
Blimey, it's cold.
That's why I wore my mittens.
Huh? Hitmen don't wear mittens! Take them off! You're embarrassing me!
Well, it's all right for you. You got little hands.
Got it!
They don't get as cold.
I ain't got little hands.
Yeah, you have. You got ladies' hands.
Well, they might be small, but they're lethal weapons, these.
You got your mother's hands. You watching your hands, Adrian?
Put your hands together.
You never believe we can...
Wipe your feet.
I think I'm going to...
Stop squirming!
Goodbye, vermin. Now, let me see the latest addition to my Cubist collection. What? Impossible!
Oi! Hermit! The prize returns to me. You big, fat, slimy airbag!
After them!
Why are you stopping? Don't we have a plan?
Wait! Wait!
Wait, you can't just leave me here.
Faster, you idiots! They're escaping!
Oh.
No! Not the master cable!
We have a plan?
Put that back!
Wait. That'll never hold both of us.
You're right. Toodaloo!
No, wait.
Freeze!
No, don't break. There are things I want to do, sights I want to see. That wasn't on the list.
Hey!
Do something! Whoa! Keep your legs straight when you hit the water!
I kept my legs straight, Spike.
Ow!